All right, Steven, you're running Revit 2019 and I'm running Revit 2020. Yeah, I had to upgrade your model to 2020, so I will try to save this and send this back to you, but just wanted to put a short video together, so hopefully I can help you out. So it looks like we're starting at 150 down here along the water and then kind of working our way up from there. So when I place points, I'm going to type in 150 feet. And then I'm just going to put a couple points along the edge down here. I'm not going to get too crazy. I mean, if you want to, you can follow that a little bit nicer. But I'll put some points there. And then I'll go to, let's see, you got 152 is your next one. And I'm just going to click kind of a few points along here. Again, just try to follow the curve. The tighter the curve is, just like a spline in AutoCAD, you might want to put a couple more points in. Alright, and then we'll bump this up. 154. It's this one here, okay. You can see how it gets a little funky here, like I might add another point to kind of smooth that out a little bit. But these smoother ones run pretty nice. Okay, 156. Don't worry that like they might not line up perfect with splines from AutoCAD. We're just getting an approximation here. 60. Now it looks like you either missed one or your numbers are a little off there. Between 158, 162, 60, 162. I don't know if those numbers got shifted up one. I'm just going to run another little piece of topography. Well, let's delete those past two. I'm going to run just another one in there at 162. Kind of right above here. And we got 164. $166. $168. And then we'll put in those exact values. 168. Got 3 inches on this one. And 2 on that one. Alright, so that's going to create your surface. Now notice it kind of connected across the dots here, and I'm going to clean this up a little bit down here. So I'll put another couple 150s in there to kind of make this curve show up a little bit nicer. But it's going to string that across there. You can cut that out later, so I'm going to hit the check mark on there, go to 3D. So there's your piece of topography. Looks like you might have to move your house up just a little bit to make that work. And then to trim this off, if you go to the site plan, this is where you'd use the split surface. So you go split surface, click this, and then probably try this like spline fit tool, and we'll see, you know, how nice we can make some kind of shape that approximates your piece of property here. Again, if it's not perfect, don't worry about it. We'll see if that works. Alright, so now it's broken up into two pieces. So if you wanted, like, you could make this one water if you want, or you can just delete it so you're left with your piece of topography. And then for you, it looks like we got to move up a couple feet here, unless I put some points in wrong. You can check that. But the easiest way to move things up would just be to tweak your levels. So, like, you can just say, like, okay, well, we're going to go, you know, if we bump this up 2 feet, and then we'll bump this one up 2 feet. That'll kind of get you pretty much where you need to be for your home. Alright, so I'm going to try to send this model to you. If you can open it up, awesome. If not, you can try to follow along with the video here.